Are you having difficulty in math? Gets terrified when a teacher asks questions and can't seem to answer it? Well, this math tutorial might be for you. Today, we're going to tackle simplifying rational expressions. Rational expressions is a ratio of two polynomials and the simplest form when the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Just like numerical expressions. Now we have here 6 over 8 is equal to 3 over 4. We'll have to factor out 6 and 8, which is 2 and 3 and 2 and 4. Now you notice that 2 is their common factor. We'll have to cancel that out to arrive with an answer that is 3 over 4. Now we're going to have this example. X squared plus 3x over x squared plus 5x. To follow step 1, factor the numerator and denominator. Now we will have x times x plus 3 over x times x plus 5. Now, we follow the second step, which is to cancel the common factors. The common factors in this given is x. Since you cannot factor out x plus 3 over x plus 5 further, now that is the final answer. Our next example would be y squared plus 3y plus 2 over y squared minus 1. Following step 1 again is to factor the numerator and denominator. Now we have y plus 1 times y plus 2 over y plus 1 plus y minus 1. With this given, our common factor is y plus 1. We'll have to cancel that out to have the final answer, which is y plus 2 over y minus 1. Yeah, I know that math can be hard at times. Been there, done that. And I want you to remember that mistakes allow thinking to happen. And it's okay to make mistakes, even in your test or in life. But I want you to remember to keep going and improve yourself and work on your skills. Last but not the least, I want to let you know that you can do it and I believe in you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye!